don't forget to give the thumbs up button. Hit that thumbs up button. Heading to Miami. As you can see, it's raining outside. I'm on I-75. I'm gonna hit the turnpike to Miami. And it looks like I'm gonna be in the rain all the way down. I just passed, it was like a 6-car accident about a half a mile back. And I run into this. I don't know what's going on down there. But we'll see. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Just giving you guys, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Giving you guys a little review on this little drive along, drive time. Drive along, drive time. These people are coming from nowhere. Okay, I see up ahead. Okay, I see police activity. So I need to get out of this lane. I wonder if anybody's gonna let me over. Bunch of flashing lights ahead of me. It's just one of those days. Go ahead, go down there. You're in front of me, because y'all wouldn't let me in. Alright, this guy is from my company, so I'll let him in. This is how we do it. Emergency is right over here. These cars. Whatever it is, accident, tow truck is picking it up. Cars in the ditch over here. On the right. That's what the emergency was about. Another accident. Alright, I'm gonna stop this at the 10-minute mark.